Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, so yesterday we saw the fall we were talking about since last week, and we were quite ready for this as well. And yes, as per our expectation, market took support at the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level, or the level of 1778 to 1779 that we have been talking extensively. Okay, to be honest, at one point I thought that market would break the level of 1779 and it would head towards the support of 1765. But yes, 1779 worked, and still we can see market is sustaining above the support here. Okay, so this is the scenario right now. So let's try to understand what are the trading opportunities for us. So first of all, if you have a buy position in the market right now, or if you're holding any long position here around this level, then you can be on the trade. You don't need to exit as of now. And if you're looking for fresh entry also, still you can consider a buy position. But one thing that I would love to remind you, that is that though market is standing at a support here, 1 2 3 4 to 5 candles for 16 to 20 hours, market is standing at the support here, but market is not bouncing. What is support? Support means a place of sellers. Usually we see market bouncing from the support. So if a market is not bouncing from the support level, it means that the level does not have the strength, the level does not have the power to bounce the market. So the buyers at this particular level here does not have the strength right now. So as a result, we are not seeing the bounce we usually see in support levels here. So in this scenario, we must be very careful. If you are taking any new position right now, please follow strict risk management. Do not risk more than 2%, 3% of your trading capital, because market is not giving us a very clear sign as of now. So the first trading opportunity is, my dear friends, if market, listen to me carefully, if market breaks the level of 1773, if market breaks the level of 1773, then yes, there may be a selling opportunity, and your next target will be 1765. Wait, let me write again. So if market breaks this particular level here, your next target will be 1765. 1765 will be your exit level. You can exit from your sell position here. This can be one trading opportunity for us, and in case market bounces from this present support, obviously you can go for a buy position. And apart from this trading opportunity, I do not see any other opportunity on the 4 hours time frame, because right now we do not have a clarity regarding the direction of the market here. So as a result, this is the only trading strategy I would love to share on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, and apart from that, okay, if we move to the 15 minutes time frame, then you can see that in the 15 minutes chart here, we have a sideways market right now. So in case market goes up, then around 1786 level, market may show some price rejection again. So if market goes up and reverses from 1786 level, you can take a sell position. You can expect a target of 30-40 pips. And on the other hand, if market comes down to the support level of 1773 level, this particular level here, you can expect the market to bounce. If market bounces again, you can expect a profit of 30 to 40 pips here. So if market breaks the level of 1773 and market starts falling, you can take a sell position on the higher time frame. But as we do not have a clarity regarding the direction of the market on the higher time frame, so we can consider the 15 minutes time frame as well. So on the 15 minutes time frame, if market reverses from 1786 level and goes down again, we can consider a sell position for 30-40 pips. On the other hand, again, if market bounces from 1773, we can consider a buy position as well. So please be careful, and as I always say, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Be a trader, not a gambler. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.